Alright, so there's been a lot of chit chat on Twitter about a possible Arbitrum airdrop happening really soon. While there hasn't been any official word if that will actually happen, more and more signals indicate that this is a huge possibility, and missing out on this airdrop would be the same as missing out on Uniswap or LooksRare airdrops that netted qualifying users thousands of dollars in their platform tokens. In this video, I will show you exactly what you need to do to increase your chances of qualifying for this airdrop if it ever happens. If you're not familiar with Arbitrum, it's a layer 2 chain built on top of Ethereum. So the first thing that you should do is use the official bridge between Ethereum and Arbitrum. For this, you will need to have some ETH on Ethereum mainnet. I'll have the link to the bridge and all other relevant links in the description. Once you're on the site, connect your wallet and add Arbitrum Network to your MetaMask by clicking this button in the top right corner. Approve this, then don't switch to Arbitrum just yet. Then enter the amount that you wish to bridge. I recommend bridging as much ETH as you possibly can, as the airdrop could account for transaction value, so the more you bridge, the more tokens you could possibly get. Obviously, this isn't confirmed information, and I'm just speculating based on how previous airdrops for other chains and platforms went. It will take around 10 minutes for your funds to show up on Arbitrum once the transaction on Ethereum mainnet is confirmed. And do keep in mind that if you decide to use this bridge to withdraw your ETH from Arbitrum, it will take 8 days to show up on Ethereum mainnet. That's not that big of a deal because you can just use another bridge, such as Synapse Protocol, to circumvent that limitation. The transaction should cost you around $10 to $20, depending on Ethereum gas at the time, and once you've confirmed this transaction, feel free to switch from Ethereum to Arbitrum in your MetaMask. And then just wait around 10 minutes, your funds will show up and we'll proceed to the next step. Usually, projects try to reward the most active users. So what we're going to do is generate some activity from our wallet. And this could be any type of activity. Our goal is to get some transactions under our belt and show that we're active on this chain. So you could go to Sushi, make a couple swaps, then you could go and provide some liquidity in the farms. Just do something to generate activity, but also don't be blatant. They could easily implement some filters. So if you're doing like 15 swaps in a span of 30 minutes on the same token, they could just filter your wallet out and you wouldn't qualify. So don't be stupid. Personally, I'd recommend interacting with 3 to 4 different protocols, do a swap on Sushi, then maybe go to Vesta, borrow against your ETH, but obviously don't forget to repay your loan later, or you could get liquidated in the future if ETH drops. Then maybe go to Treasure, buy some NFTs. There's some cheap ones like Treasures. This one is like 0.1 Magic, which is around, 20 cents right now. So it's not going to cost you much, but it will increase your chances of qualifying, and that's what we're aiming for. I'll also leave a link to DefiLlama that shows you all the protocols that are available on Arbitrum, so you can pick the ones you like, and like I said, just interact with them and you should be fine. So yeah, hopefully you found that video useful. If you learned something new, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.